We are going to talk about the ChatGPT for marketing. You can find it here at chat.openai.com. When you go to ChatGPT, I asked it to create a custom marketing plan. It's already writing. What I said was, please create a custom marketing plan for my new NFT collection, Nuns on a Mission, which is a 10K collection of animated sisters. Although the collection is art-focused, the goal is not only to make you laugh, and laughter is scientifically proven to be healing, but to join in the fun. It came up with 10 options. The first one is social media marketing. Utilize platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to create buzz and promote the collection. Share artwork, teasers, and behind-the-scenes content to build excitement and attract potential buyers. Number 2, influencer marketing. Partner with popular comedians, influencers, and content creators in the crypto and art community to showcase the collection and reach a larger audience. So this is a great idea, but what if we don't know who the popular comedians, influencers, and content creators are in the crypto and art community?
Can I just say that that's the thing I like about it the most, that you can actually modify your question and then it will modify its answer.
You can actually add on to your question as well, which is amazing because you treat it like a real person.
Right.
What you want to do is you want to say to ChatGPT in number 2, let me just copy this. Popular comedians, influencers, and content creators in the art community. What are their handles, and can you provide a link to each of them? Give me at least 25 of each type. Thank you. Okay, let's see what happens. And within seconds, it's already saying, I apologize, but as a language model, I do not have the capability to provide real-time information about specific individuals or their handles.
And then there
However,
they come. Yeah, and there they go.
However, I can provide you with a
Look at
list of
that.
popular comedians, influencers, and content creators in the crypto and art communities that you can research and reach out to. And now they've listed, oh my gosh, so many people. I think George.
This is a free service for now.
Yeah.
But eventually we charge for it. Look at it go.
I know, but I'm seeing a few problems already. Like, for example, under comedians, George Carlin and Richard Pryor. It would be difficult to contact them. Unless you have a speaker to heaven, right? It would be, and Lenny Bruce, I don't think so. I don't think we could contact them, and I don't think they have handles. Okay, let's see. Influencers. Wow, quite a lot of people. Content creators, quite a lot of people. Please note that this list is not exhaustive, and there are many other individuals who may be good fits for your marketing plan. I suggest doing further research and identifying the individuals who align best with your brand and audience. Please give me the handle on social media for the comedians and influencers that are alive.
There you go.
And the link. Thank you. Okay, let's see what happens now. I apologize, but as a language model, I do not have the capability to provide real-time information about specific individuals or their handles on social media. However, I can provide you with a list of popular comedians and influencers in the crypto and art communities and their social media handles, which I've already asked for twice. So it's not perfect, ChatGPT, but it's pretty darn amazing in spite of not being perfect. Okay, so under comedians, now I'm getting the handles for Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Chances are these are the same handles that they're using on LinkedIn and Facebook, so I don't really need to worry about that. And it's really doing a decent job of giving me all of that information. While it's doing that, let's just go back up and see what else. So number 3, comedy club. Utilize the unique feature of the collection by hosting a comedy club for the animated nuns on YouTube, which we're already doing. Share performances and jokes from the comedy club on social media to attract a wider audience, which we're also doing, so great suggestion, and we're doing it. Number 4, merchandising. Create and sell Nuns on a Mission merchandise, such as cookbooks and drink recipes, which is what I told it we were doing, to appeal to a wider audience and increase brand awareness. I could say to it, give us more ideas for merchandise. Do that. Let's see what that looks like. On number 4, merchandising. Can you give me more ideas for merchandise that art lovers and people who love comedy would be interested in purchasing? Okay, let's see what happens with that. Sure, here are some additional ideas for Nuns on a Mission merchandise that art lovers and people, blah, blah, blah. So number 1, t-shirts featuring the animated nuns and their jokes. 2, hoodies with the Nuns on a Mission logo. That's a great idea. 3, customized mugs with the nuns' images. 4, phone cases with different designs. 5, stickers, buttons, and pins featuring the nuns. 6, customized keychains. People are still using keychain? I don't know. 7, posters and art prints, customized tote bags, mouse pads, coasters, playing cards, socks, notebooks, wall clocks, patches, oh my gosh, magnets, bookmarks, ornaments. Oh, I love ornaments with the nuns' images. That's sort of perfect for Christmas, isn't it? 19, key holders. They already said that. 20, fridge magnets. That's hilarious. Book covers, phone grips, bandanas, face masks, and Christmas cards. Please note that these are just some ideas, and you can come up with many other products that align with your brand and audience. I also recommend to consider the costs of production and logistics before deciding on a product. This is one of the things that I really love about ChatGPT, is that it also recommends different things that you should think about when you're working on your marketing. Different ways to actually save money, different ways to do your research.
Right. It looks like it makes it easier for you to spend your money too.
Yes, it does.
I mean, in a good way. I'm not saying that in a bad
way.
way. I'm just saying it gives you constructive ideas on how to spend your money for advertising
Right.
and promoting,
Now,
which is the whole idea.
I could go even deeper into the merchandising, and I could ask it to give me companies that I can order from. You know, what are the top companies to order this merchandise from, et cetera, et cetera. What are the best ways to do it? I could also do that. And let's keep going. Community building is the next one. Create a community for the collection by hosting events, contests, and giveaways for nuns on a mission holders. Encourage holders to share their own jokes and sets for the comedy club and share their content on social media. Fantastic idea, but how do we do that? And what events? And what is it talking about exactly? So let's ask it. I'm going to just copy that, and then I'm going to say on number 5, community building, what are ideas for events, contests, and giveaways for nuns on a mission holders?
That's what I mean. I love how you can modify a question and get a more specific answer.
It's just writing so fast. It's so fast. It's amazing. Here are some ideas for events, contests, and giveaways that you can use to build a community for nuns on a mission holders. Virtual meetups and Q&A sessions with the creators of the collection, online art classes and workshops led by the creators of the collection, virtual comedy nights featuring performances by the animated nuns, art and comedy themed contests where holders can submit their own artwork or jokes to be featured on the comedy club or social media.
Which we talked about. People submitting their own jokes for the nuns to tell.
Giveaways for holders who share their favorite jokes or artwork featuring the nuns on social media, trivia night, online treasure hunts, virtual scavenger hunts, virtual cooking or cocktail classes featuring recipes from the Nuns on a Mission cookbook. See, these are great ideas, right?
Nun hunts.
You can't run out of ideas to market when you've got a AI chatbot giving you a ton of ideas, can you? Virtual meetups with other NFT collectors and crypto art enthusiasts, raffles, storytelling sessions, art shows, and hangouts. It is a fantastic list. I'm so impressed. It is important to note that this list is not exhaustive, and you can come up with many other events, contests, and giveaways that align with your brand and audience. Also, consider the cost of organizing the events and the logistics of the giveaways and contests. And then I could actually even get in further. You're on screen.
I know I'm on the screen, but I had an idea and I got to write it down. You gave me an idea.
Okay. One of the things that you could do now is you could say, okay, what are the logistics of the giveaways and contests? And you could be very, very specific about all of this. And again, this is one of the most amazing things about ChatGPT is that you can go in depth on any part of this that you want to. Okay, so number 6, collaborate with other crypto artists, art galleries, and museums to showcase the collection, expand the reach of your brand. Now, I could just say to it, who should we collaborate with, et cetera, et cetera. I'm not going to do that right now. Paid advertising. Utilize paid advertising on platforms such as Google and social media to reach a larger audience and drive sales of the collection. One of the things that I could say to it is, what is the cost of paid advertising? What kind of ads should I be running? How do I find my demographic? You want to think of very specific prompts. That's the word, prompts, to give it so that it's giving you back the exact information.
What is the advertising that reaches the most viewers?
Where can I advertise to reach the most viewers in my audience?
Right.
In my comedy
be as specific as possible.
Yes, be as specific as possible.
And it can give you a more specific answer, yes.
Yes. This is why, Sal, you and I, we might come up with the broad picture, and then as we talk about it, we get more and more and more detailed about what it is that we don't know that we need to know. And this is the way that you want to talk to ChatGPT as well. Get it to give you the answers that you're looking for. Number 8, PR and press release. Reach out to crypto and art publications and websites to feature the collection and generate media cover. This, I think, is the perfect opportunity for us to say, and I'm going to go ahead and do this, I'm going to ask ChatGPT on number 8, which crypto and art publications and websites are the top, let's say 25 for both crypto and art that we should reach out to. Please include links to the website and link to the press release page. Thank you. Let's see if that's good enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Press release page.
So here we go. Let me just zoom out a little so you can start seeing. I mean, it's already like going crazy. Here are a list of the top 25 crypto and art publications and websites that you may consider reaching out to for coverage of your Nuns on a Mission NFT collection. You do have the opportunity to stop generating right here at the very bottom if you wanted to, but we don't want to. We don't want to stop it from generating. But if it's not giving you the information that you actually expected, you can stop generating and reword your question so that it understands what you're asking for. So
well, that'd be nice if I could do that with people.
Wait, stop talking.
Let me rephrase that. Then you can talk again.
Right.
Okay?
Excuse me.
Hold on.
Excuse me. I think I need to ask one more question. Right. Here we have a list, a really comprehensive list of the top publications, I hope. I mean, I'll have to do my own research, right? DYOR, do my own research, and make sure that these actually are in the top. But all of these now have a link to their website, right here, let's do ArtNet, and a link to where you can submit a press release. It looks like ChatGPT stopped at 25. I could say to it, give me another 25 publications, and it would do that. But I do believe that that has given us a really good idea of what ChatGPT was talking about with number 8, PR and press release. Now, let's see what number 9 is. Email campaigns. Build an email list of potential buyers and send them regular updates, promotions, and news regarding the collection. I know that people think, and they're wrong, that email they're wrong, is not the number one way to still contact people.
And yet it still is?
It still is.
And it still is.
It still is. I do believe, and I don't even have to believe this because it is an actual fact, there are statistics about it, that email is still the number one way to contact people directly and give information directly and potentially sell something in a direct fashion using email. It's better than using social media. And so build an email list of potential buyers. One of the things that you could do is you could say to ChatGPT, how would I build my email list? What's the best way for me to build my email list? I am not going to ask it right. I am going to go to number 10, which is auctions. Host an NFT auction to generate excitement and drive sales of the collection. So I think I have shown you a ton of different ways to use ChatGPT to market, to come up with a marketing plan, to ask it to do things for you. But I think you've got the idea now of exactly how you can do that yourself using ChatGPT. And you can join still before everybody else. If you want to, you can join our mission to spread joy and laughter as far and wide as possible at a very special price. At only 0.005 ETH, just go to our website, zazoome, Nuns on a Mission with the dashes in between, and get your own wonderful nun of Nuns on a Mission. And we'll see you in the next video. Ciao, guys.